right, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Hello. And here we go. You see, getting a lot of reflection, but I want to show you here. Here's a replica of John Wayne's big loop lever action Winchester 1866 yellow boy carbine rifle. There you go, that's a yellow boy carbine rifle. There's the bullets, bullet holder, right there. Here's the photograph of John Wayne. Love that. And here's the write-up on it. Replica of John Wayne's big loop lever action Winchester 1866 yellow boy carbine rifle. There you have it. Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye, John.